Calm down, calm down, calm down. All right, let's go. Hey, what's good, people? It's vdoestech, and as you saw from the thumbnail, we have the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold in-house. That's probably gonna be the first and last time I call it by its full name. We just gonna call it the Pixel 9 Fold, which is what it should have been. But you know, everything got to be Pro or Ultra nowadays. But yeah, this is my first foldable device from Google. I skipped out on the first one. It's not my first foldable device though. I've had the Fold 4, I've had a majority of the Samsung flip phones, and also my favorite foldable of all time so far, the OnePlus Open. So this is mainly gonna be the foldable that I compare it to, because I don't remember the Fold 4 all that much. So this is the one I will be comparing it to the most. Now, I had no plans on picking this up. I was all ready to buy the OnePlus Open 2, and then found out they wasn't doing a 2 this year. So I decided to change it up. Instead of getting, you know, the Fold 6, decided to give Google a chance, and here we are. So let's get in this box. Go ahead and pull this tab. One tab gone, and two tabs. Or thought I had a clean pull. There we go. So how do we get this out? Does it go sideways? Yes, it does. I want to ease it out. There we go. All right, all right. Decent presentation. Let's put that to the side. That comes right off. Okay. And let's see. You do get a Type-C to Type-C cable, and this is probably what is it, the pamphlet? So you do get a SIM card right there. So that tells you where the SIM card is going to go, where to charge, the power. So I did not know that the fingerprint is built into the power button. So that is I was wondering what it would be. Now, I skipped out on getting the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So I really, really hope this is worth it. Let's go ahead and dive in. Why was that broken already? I didn't even get a chance to peel it. Come on. Oh, that is sexy. That is so gorgeous. Let's go ahead and do the first fold. Woo-wee. Now, here is the Pixel 8 Pro. So, size comparison. It is shorter. Not sure if you can see that. It is shorter. There's what the back. Now, I'm not even gonna lie. At first, I wasn't the biggest fan of the Cyclops on the back, but it kind of grew on me. Not sure how I feel about this yet, so we'll see. But let's go OnePlus Open, and it is just barely taller. Just barely taller. Let's see. And it is thicker though. It's a little bit thicker, if you can see. And there it is. So yeah, the Google Fold is just slightly taller, not all that much. Let's see how. So you got speakers at the top. That hinges. Okay. You got the SIM tool down there, the ejection card. You got the speakers at the top. So yeah, speakers at the top. I'm guessing that's the mic cutout, mic cutout, Type-C. Let's see where the placement is. So yeah, power button. So the fingerprint built in right there. In hand. Now, obviously, it's gonna feel a little bit better in hand compared to the OnePlus Open, just because the cameras on the Open is just humongous, as you can see. But I've gotten used to like resting my thumb underneath there, and that's a way to like hold it. Now over here, I think I can get used to that too. Let's go ahead and power it open. Let's power it up. Now, not really too sure what to expect from this one, because like I said, I skipped out on the original one. But so far, I really like how it feels in hand. I do wish that the side over here was just a little bit slimmer. I feel like there should be more screen over here on the left side, but it does not look bad. Let's see if you can get both with the screen off. So, I mean, it just feels like there should be a little bit more screen. Maybe there will be more screen once it's actually powered up and going. But I can say I think I like the haptics so far from the little intro screen with it bouncing around. I do like how it feels, the vibrations. Maybe that's just me thinking too much, but definitely like how it feels in hand. Now it is slippery. So like it's not as slippery as the 8 Pro, but yeah, you definitely gonna need a case for this one. Unlike the Open where you have the leather on the back, you can use that for grip. This one is straight. I might have to grab a skin. There's not too many cases out for this. I do have one on the way, so I don't think I'm gonna have a case till like Friday or Saturday. So a little bit nervous about that because like I said, it is a little bit slippery. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. Definitely like how that looks. Let's go ahead and open this up. Can you see? Now you can definitely feel the crease, but it's gonna go away within like 48 hours. You're gonna get used to it, and that's not even gonna be a big deal. I can already tell that that's not gonna be a big deal. Now I will say the borders are a little bit thicker than what you have on the Open, but I don't think that's going to be a big deal either. Just going to take a little bit to get used to. The same camera setup on the right side. I am glad that the fingerprint sensor is built into the power button. Wasn't sure what to expect. You know, coming from the OnePlus 8, I just naturally assumed it was going to be in the screen. So didn't see that coming, so that's a nice surprise. I haven't watched anybody's video in any way. I wanted this to be all new and fresh. Now, speaking of, does the Pixel does have wireless charging? Does it? Why won't it power on? What happened? All right, let me see one more time. All right, so it does have wireless charging. I did not know if the Pixel had wireless charging because the OnePlus Open doesn't have wireless charging. But that could be just because of how big the camera is on the Open. Not sure why it doesn't have wireless charging. But yeah, the Fold does have wireless charging, so that is a nice touch. I wonder if any of the cases are going to have MagSafe charging, so that's one thing definitely going to be checking out. The cameras are weird. Can't even pretend like they're not. That is weird. Which one do you prefer? The cameras that's on the Google Fold or the OnePlus cameras? This started off being weird to me, but after time I got used to it and I think it actually looks pretty decent now. Hopefully that happens over here. Now I really wanted the OnePlus. I really wanted the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, but like I said, I wanted the upgrade to the OnePlus Open. I wanted the 2, but since they weren't putting out a foldable this year, decided to give Google a chance, and so far, first impressions, I am definitely not mad at it so far. It feels good in the hands. Now, I do wish this side was rounded, because like, this feels good in the hand, and even though this is sharp, since it's slimmer, it fits better in my hand. This is a little bit wider. Now, I absolutely love how the OnePlus 8 Pro feels in the hand because all the corners are rounded. With this one sharp side over here, the squared off side, it feels kind of weird, but definitely probably going to get used to that, hopefully. Hopefully should get used to that over time. It feels good on this side, but for some reason I'm weird when it comes to phone, and I use a majority of my phones in my left hand even though I'm right-handed. But yeah, it looks really nice. I've never even actually seen the first Google Fold in person. So this is like, I've never interacted with it at any store. So having this as my first interaction, I am not mad at it. It looks so good. Now I did trade in my OnePlus. I keep saying OnePlus. I did trade in my Google Pixel 8 Pro. I think I'm going to miss this phone, but I'm hoping that this phone is just so good it makes me forget about this one. But knowing me, I may or may not pick another one of these up, find it for the low and grab another one of these. But I did trade this phone in to get this one. Pixel 8 Pro, one of the best phones ever. Really love this one. But yo, decided to give Google a try this year, and so far I am not mad at it. That is absolutely gorgeous. I am thinking maybe I should have got the white one, but I got the white one last year, so had to go back to the Obsidian color. Looks really dope. Feels so good. Look, I'm going to get this set up. Let me know what you think in the comments. Cases will be on the way as I find them. But yeah, I'm going to get this bad boy set up. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.